Madam, I would like to know from the Honourable Minister is that what steps are being taken by his ministry, because so many accidents happen in our country, and out of these several people have brain injuries, and we need to tap this pool, and if we really tap this pool, then we really do not require living donors. And the reason I say this, madam, is because the figures which have been published in the Medical Journal of Indian Journal of Anesthesia in 2013, out of 205 patients declared brain dead at AIIMS Trauma Center in the past 5 years, only 10 have become potential organ donors. So I would like to know from the Honourable Minister, the accidents which are happening in the country, what steps does he propose to take to ensure that we can get these donors?
Madam, as the Honourable Member has said, certainly this has been taken as a higher priority by the Ministry, and we are trying to see to it that the number of donors should increase, and we are trying to regulate the system. For this only, first of all, in the past 1 month, many new initiatives have been taken. First of all, that the website NOTO has been updated. At the same time, 24/7 helpline has been started. The same way, the organ and tissue donation and transplant registry has been updated and it has been started. So what we have tried to do is to create an awareness and involve people. Last month, in the month of last month, in the month of October, Honorable Prime Minister has spoken in Mann Ki Baat about the donation of the organs, and he had requested the people that they should get actively involved. The result was that the people visiting the website of NOTO had tremendously increased. The same way, the call center also received a number of requests and number of inquiries about it. We are trying to develop an awareness program, and it is through the awareness program that we are going to see to it that we get the support. As far as the other part is concerned is the infrastructure. For infrastructure, we have tried to develop an inter-ministerial coordination committee headed by the Secretary of Ministry, and we are coordinating with the line departments to see to it that those who want to donate their organs, we are able to take the benefit of it, and that is why the strengthening and the capacity building is going on. The same way, we are also trying to see that the systems have now put to place to register the organ pledges. That is why the registry has started. Training and sensitization program has started. Criteria for the allocation of kidney has been finalized and will be put in public domain. The same way, for other organs also, it's underway, and we are also considering to do it accordingly. The issues which is related is that we have to look for preventive part also. We are working on the preventive part, and we are also looking on the part how when such things happen. We have also made it mandatory that the organ which is being in the trauma center, that the patient who dies or who has met an accident, the counseling part takes place. The coordinators are there to talk to the patient's attendants and see to it that the maximum people donate. We are going in a big way for awareness program, and that is why we also need suggestions from public, and we are trying to involve. Second,
Madam, with all humility, I would like to say that my first supplementary was a pointed question on accidents which happen, but the minister has just reiterated the answer which has been given, which I have read. Anyway, my second supplementary, Honourable Minister, is that isn't it true that the Safdarjung Hospital, which started a skin bank in 2012, is yet to start working with no cadaver skin donation made so far? Because every day we see so many burn patients coming. Similarly, a bone bank at AIIMS, barely 30 bones for donations since the inception 1919 has happened. What steps is he taking? And he talked about kidneys, madam, kidney transplant. Is it also not true that the WHO estimated in 2007 that every year out of poverty 2,000 Indians are selling their kidney every year. What steps are being taken by his ministry to ensure that these things do not happen? And about my specific question about Safdarjung Hospital for Skin Bank and the AIMS Bone Bank, yes, madam.
Yes, sir, madam, I do not have a specific
Question
answer.
of donation. Yes,
It's a donation, but he has talked about Skin Bank. I'll send the answer separately.
भाई सुरेश जी वॉकआउट करके टॉकआउट नहीं करना बेटा प्लीज। ये हाउस ठीक तरह से चले, सरकार का दायित्व है, विपक्ष का दायित्व है, हमारा दोनों का मदद से स्पीकर सदन को ठीक तरह से चला पाएंगे।